Hello guys, welcome to E&A Auto Repair in Portland, Oregon. Today we're gonna show you a very important maintenance on Audi S4. Make life easier and also save you money. This is an S4 or an A6 with the 4.2 liter. They are all similar. This is one of the problem here. We're gonna show you. We tear up the front end of this vehicle due to a customer complaint of a noise at the startup, the initial start in the morning, and also oil leaks. The oil leaks, a lot of people can mistake the oil leak here. If you look in the bottom, this on crossover pipe, and it's coming down here, and also cause this stop mount to deteriorate. Basically looks like a donut, but now there is barely anything left. They can mistake this oil leak with a crankshaft front seal. So if we look at all the dirt around the motor here, but if we look here, we see a clean spot, and also on this side here we see a clean spot and also an oil leak, and that is caused by a very simple repair. Oil O-rings seals for the oil filter adapter that mounted on the top of the motor. If we look here, there's a lot of oils. It's fresh oil here, and this is basically the oil filter. You can access it from the top, but in order to replace those seals, we have to remove the intake manifold, which is right here. And look right here, this is all fresh oil. There is an O-ring goes on this tube here, and there is also an oil ring goes on this tube here, which has caused the leak around here, and it came through this valley pan and dropped down to the ground. So this is a very common problem in those vehicles, and this is what his oil leak. And now we're going to address that noise that he's hearing. We're gonna move this out of here. You can be patient with me for a minute. We're gonna move this and put it next to the radiator core support over here. We removed this valve cover to, we were suspecting the timing chain is getting loose. Those are the cam, intake cam and exhaust cam over here. And if we look at this chain over here and we lift it up, we'll see slack. This is slack here. What happened when you start, there is a timing chain tensioner that's charged with the oil and compensate for the looseness over here. For this here, we're gonna require to remove the whole entire motor out of the vehicle, and the timing chain is set up on the back of this vehicle. The back of the motor. We're gonna separate the engine from the transmission and put it outside, clean it up thoroughly, and go over all the timing chain kit, as well all the gaskets, seals, grommet, anything that get in our way and we can see a problem with it, we'll replace it, as well as those little grommet here for the cylinder head cover. So guys, thank you for watching, and we'll record another video for you to watch. But at this point, we are 100% sure the timing chain is loose. and as well as there is some oil leak coming off behind the bell housing, which we're suspecting the rear main seal. When we do this job, we're gonna go over the whole entire motor and reseal it after we clean it up and put it back together. Thank you guys for watching. Welcome to E&A Auto Repair in Portland, Oregon. Our telephone number is 503-756-1414. We do all German cars as well as Japanese, Honda, Subaru, and we do a fleet service. Give us a call if you need any help or you have any question. We'll answer it for you. Thank you, and we appreciate watching our video. Have a nice day.